Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Remove the protective cover of the light by lifting it off. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 socket. Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Lever the electric connector to remove it. Remove the power connector board by putting pressure on the two locking studs. You can now access the light bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew it with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Take the new bulb. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Put the protective cover back on the lights. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.